Okay, I think it's working. Not gonna lie, this tripod is complete garbage. Don't ever buy this damn tripod. Piece of garbage. Anyway, it's been quite a while since I embarked an intermittent fasting weight loss journey, and I thought, you know what, 4 years later, why not make an updated version? So the plan is I'm going to try to do it starting today, which is March 15, and I want to do it until April 15, obviously, to sort of practice what I preach instead of me always yapping in videos I upload every now and then. At the same time, in embarking in this new journey of mine, I want it to be a little more detailed and specific, and also to show completely everything that I do throughout the course of these 30 days. So I already did a weigh-in just a couple of minutes ago, and I'm currently sitting somewhere around 142 to 143 pounds as of today, and throughout the course of 2 to 3 months, I have gained approximately about 12 to 13 pounds. You can also see what I currently look like. So this is the physique I am currently working with, unfortunately, but as per usual, I know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get back down with no struggle whatsoever, implementing IF. So I have my blueprint here, my ultimate secret that I never tell any of you guys ever because it's a secret, obviously. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that while I am embarking in this 30-day journey, I'm not going to be recording every single day, and rather I'm just going to compress the important videos that I record, and I'm still going to be recording my typical videos in between while waiting for that darn weight to go down. Another thing is I don't have a specific number I'm trying to reach within this course of 30 days. The only goal and point I'm trying to make here is that weight does go down when you implement the right steps. So here I have my plan. You obviously can't really see that, so screw it. I'm just going to read it. So I wrote the plan. So for day 1, which is starting tomorrow, so technically what I meant to say earlier was I'm starting tomorrow, March 16, and ending on April 16. All right, so for day 1, which starts tomorrow, I'm going to try to do OMAD, not necessarily for weight, but mostly for water weight, because even though I am 142 to 143 pounds, I know that after water weight, I'm probably somewhere between 139 and 140, realistically speaking. Okay, so for day 1, I'm going to try to do OMAD, which I will also be recording a portion of that tomorrow as well. So we'll see. I am working starting around 6 in the morning until 3 p.m. So I'll try to get some footage of what I do in between. So when I'm at home, not at work. So with that said, the first meal is probably going to be 7 p.m. just because. So doing OMAD starting tomorrow is purely just for water weight. And then from day 2 to 7, I'm going to start implementing 16-8, which is where I fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. And the eating window I decided to create is from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. because my lunchtime at work is around 11 to 11:30, and I do work an 8-hour shift. And during this period from day 2 to 7, I am going to eat whatever the heck I want, still being cautious that I need to be in a calorie deficit still, which is crucial for this to work. And then from day 8 to 30, I call it the lock-in phase, where I'm going to change my fasting schedule from 16-8 to 19-5, something a little more aggressive, and the eating window is going to be 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. and changing from eating whatever I want to eating healthier. Still eating whatever I want, but healthier, and of course, even less. That's that, plain and simple. I don't really need to get into too much detail because you're going to see a lot of what I do eventually. And what else? In terms of working out, I'm going to try to do that from Sunday to Friday with some rest in between. Totally optional, but since it's my journey, I'm going to do it anyway. Did I forget anything? Well, I can't think of anything else. So that's it for episode 1. With that said, I will see you guys in the next episode.